In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Canon DSLR camera with an onboard flash that doesn't pop up because the camera thinks that an external flash is attached. On this 550D, pressing the button for the pop-up flash does nothing, and if I go into the flash menu, the camera seems to think that an external flash is attached, which there obviously isn't. The way the camera detects whether an external flash is attached or not is via a metal pin that's pressed down by this leaf switch whenever something's attached to the hot shoe. On this camera you can see that the pin isn't straight. It's been bent forward, causing it to press down on the switch underneath, making the camera think that an external flash is permanently attached. This is a common problem, but fortunately it's very easy to fix. I'm just going to use the tip of a small flathead screwdriver to straighten this pin by pushing the top of the pin backwards until it sits up straight. Now the camera no longer thinks that an external flash is attached, and pressing the flash button makes the onboard flash pop up as it should. I hope this video helps. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.